Hello everyone, welcome to the CS691 Capstone project presentation. This is Team 1 RushHour. This is our Sprint 0 presentation, and coming to our application name is uSPark, an intelligent AI medical assistant. So the agenda of this presentation is to learn more about the team roles and the responsibilities, and also about the project overview. So we are going to give a little bit overview about the problem statement of our project, the description of the project, and the personas which we have included as a part of this project to come up with the features and ideas, and also about the technologies for the front end and the back end of the application, and a few machine learning and AI algorithms as well. And we come up with a schedule and arrangement policy so that we can complete the project on time. And we've also included Scrum retrospectives so that we can actually get some info and feedback from all the team members regarding the sprint and the corrections if any needed as a part of the sprint. So coming to the full stack team, myself Ratanjanath Singh Varpo, I'm the team leader, scrum master, and the full stack developer. My roles and responsibilities include managing the entire team with all the documentations and things, and also maintaining a synchronization between the ML team and the full stack team. And also I manage sprint planning and sprint retrospectives, and also I work on the front end and the back end part of the full stack application and integrations with the machine learning part.
Hi, my name is Kaundinya Padapati, and I'm going to be the team lead of the full stack application. And my responsibilities were like taking care of like front end and back end and database of the application.
And myself, Avinash Manchala. I'm working as a full stack developer and UI designer for our application, and I work with Ratan and Krishna along with full stack development.
Yeah, hi, this is Sairam. My role is full stack testing engineer, and my responsibilities are to conduct end-to-end testing to ensure application reliability and security.
Hi everyone, this is Pranay. I'm the lead AI and ML engineer for the team. My roles includes developing, training, and optimizing AI-driven models for processing medical images, chatbot training, and analyzing the user symptoms.
Hi everyone, my name is Uday Kumar, and I'm AML engineer at Tester. Basically, I'm working on gathering data sets and responsible for predictive analysis and testing the accuracy.
Yeah, my name is Murli Kumari, and I'm AML engineer and tester. And my roles and responsibilities include gathering pre-processing data for AI chatbot and prototyping for the AI chatbot.
Hi, my name is Sujit Suprabhat Tupki. I'll be working as a full stack tester and also as a quality assurance manager. My responsibilities are testing for bugs and also the quality of the whole app.
So, coming to the problem statement, in the recent medical development and medical healthcare, managing patient diagnosis, medical records, and all the patient's details is a complex and time-consuming task for both hospitals and patients. With healthcare demand increasing, a more efficient system is needed. An AI-powered chatbot can simplify patient interactions, while a smart data storage system ensures easy access to medical history. Additionally, ML-based diagnostics tool can assist doctors in making faster, more accurate decisions. This reduces the manual effort, improves the patient care, and streamlines the entire healthcare process. The result is a hassle-free experience for both patients and medical professionals.
So coming to the project description, as I said before, my project name is uSpark. It is an intelligent full stack web-based application that incorporates ML and AI together to give a hassle-free approach and hassle-free experience to the user. So it consists of basically UHeal and USEG. UHeal is a smart chatbot that conducts preliminary analysis for the patient's conditions and the issues based on a questionnaire. And also doctors can use USEG, which is our machine learning algorithm that takes in images and gives a segmented output so that it makes the process of diagnosis of those images a little bit easier for the doctors rather than completely relying on the manual effort. And these are the features that are present in our app. For the Sprint Zero, we have considered out few features, and these are those. The first feature includes booking appointments. UHeal plays a major part in this. UHeal takes in the feedback from the customer based on their questionnaire so that it finalizes out the symptoms of the issues of the customer, and based on that, it shows that the vacancies and the availabilities at different hospitals so that it can make necessary appointments as an in-person appointment or a virtual appointment. And the second feature includes hospital recommendations. So in order to book an appointment for the particular patient, an appropriate hospital is needed, which actually caters for the needs of the patient. So again, UHIL comes into the picture for this. It gives in necessary recommendations for the patients. And the chatbot, so we've been talking about uHeal all the time. So another feature of uHeal is that it conducts a preliminary analysis. It is not that every time a patient requires assistance of a doctor or needs to go to hospital. So in this point in time, uHeal plays a major role by giving few preventive measures so that doctors and patients need not actually meet virtually or in person as well. And one card, so we proudly say that one card is our new feature or standard feature in our application that separates from all the other applications. So one card involves all the previous assessments which are conducted by UHIL as a part of the diagnosis of the patient, and also it consists the insurance details of the patient so that the doctors or the persons for which one card is stored and shared can see the details of the patient as well. And also one card involves a QR code, which is a scannable QR code, so that anyone who scans the QR code can see all the details of the patients that have been included on the one card. This essentially makes the process of storing the information of the patient much more easier. And using, as I discussed earlier, it's an ML algorithm that segments sorts images, which is a good way for the doctors to use it because it reduces the manual work of the doctors.
Yeah. Coming to the personas, and first persona is a doctor, Dr. Sarah John. She is a senior radiologist and she works at NYC Healthcare Healthless Hospitals. And the challenges are the spending too much time manually reviewing the medical images and dealing with the unstructured patient history and reports and insufficient scheduling and last minute changes. And coming to the goals and needs that we implemented in our app, AI-powered tool for faster and more accurate diagnosis and a centralized system to access patient history and medical records and the AI organized appointments and consultation management system. And we created a chatbot that for that. And coming to the second person, Mark Thomas, he's a bank manager. He works at TD Bank, and challenges are difficult to tracking recurring health issues and balancing work and healthcare responsibilities, and no structured way to monitor family health records. And coming to the goals and needs that we implemented in our app are a system to track, manage, and his family records. That is OneGuard, as we mentioned in the above slide feature, OneGuard feature, and easy access to past treatment and the health history, and a seamless way to navigate the healthcare without any confusion. And next person.
Coming to Persona 3, Emily Cutter is a 38-year-old lab technician in New York. She's responsible for managing patient appointments and medical records. She struggles with manual appointment scheduling, overbook doctor schedules, and tracking patient records efficiently. To improve the efficiency, she needs an automated booking system, easy access to patient records, and seamless integration with the hospital HMNs. Our app could have that features would streamline her workflow, reducing errors, and enhancing patient management. Coming to Persona 4, Lisa Brown is a 32-year-old software employee from Brooklyn, values convenience in healthcare. She rarely visits hospitals but needs reliable health advice without scheduling appointments. Her challenges include finding trustworthy medical information and accessing healthcare only when necessary. A digital health platform, that is, our app, will be offering an on-demand consultations, AI-driven symptom analysis, and telehealth services would help her make informed decisions while avoiding unnecessary hospital visits. Yes.
So here comes the technologies which we are using in our application. So let's take like React and Redux and Axios for like creating the application for the front end, and Node.js and what else, like Node.js we are using for like the backend, and MongoDB we're going to use it for the database, and AWS is also using for the database, and we are using Python as a programming language for, and also the TensorFlow and Flask for developing the AI and chatbot applications using CNN and algorithms. And we are using Docker for Dockerization of storage and everything. And we are using GitHub to store entire the code and everywhere. And Figma is for like us to design the entire platform. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the team working agreement. These are some of the terms that we have agreed as a team. The brief description of the agreement is that our team, RushHour, is driven by the aim of producing a variable result at the end of the project duration, striving to give our best to meet the pre-decided plans and goals, and ultimately ensuring the customer satisfaction. Individually, each member is responsible for their task. I'll be going through each terms and giving a brief description about them. The first one is individual accountability. This is a big project. We has a team. Each individual in the team will be doing their part, understanding the importance of contribution. Second is communication and resource sharing. So as a team, we use different tools for communication such as Zoom, WhatsApp, and Google Docs. The team is divided into two divisions, that is MI and AI team and the full stack team. Third term is the participation. We all have agreed to participate and be active. Active participation from all the team members is essential. The other term is openness and helping. All the team members have agreed to help each other if someone is stuck at something. The work is divided among the team members accordingly. Each team member is given the work that they are interested in. As for the meetings, we'll be conducting Zoom meetings every day, like 15 to 30 minutes. And also based on the sprint schedule given to us and sprint planning, a sprint retrospective will be conducted to examine the what went well and what other improvements are needed. And as you can see at the end of the page, there are different roles: team lead, scrum master, quality assurance manager, MI/AI lead developer, UI UX designer, tester, and full stack developer.
So this is our product design. So we are going to get into a detail of this product design by a demo given by Avinash, but I'm just going to give a description of the MVP design. So the MVP design, we are trying to include about the previous visits and the upcoming appointments for the user, and also the one card, which we can see here.
And coming to sprint zero schedule, we divided all the work based on all the work, and we divided into the tasks, and we created the tasks in Jira, and we completed everything regarding sprint zero, and we achieved this by we used to have daily stand-up calls, everything to complete this. That helped us a lot. And next, the project schedule. In project schedule, like we have two teams, like they already said, it's like full stack development and the AML team. Like we divided the task based upon the responsibilities, and we divided the task for the sprint one, and we also we even scheduled the sprint retrospective. And this wiki page, and we include this is how the wiki page looks, and this is the wiki page link over here. And by this this is our end of our presentation. Next, our product demo will be given by Avinash.
And this is the demo of our application. This is the landing page of our application. We divided the application into two categories based on the doctor and patient sign up. For first, we will see about the doctor login. I'm clicking on login. This is the doctor login page. If the doctor clicks on login, it will redirect to the home page. This is where everything comes from the doctor perspective. And this is about the details of the doctor and the calendar and the consultation of the patients, and each patient details have been there here. And one more thing is there. USEG is one of the feature we have been implemented in this application. If we click on USEG, it will redirect to the another page, and uh, we need to upload one card for this application. If we submit one card, it will redirect to the another screen, and it will show the some diagnostics report of the heat maps and something. We didn't develop that thing, so that's why I didn't show here. Later on we will show here, and I'm clicking log out here for showing the patient perspective. And one more thing I forgot. If we click on sign up for doctor page, it will ask the details like doctor ID and email ID. This one is the mandatory thing for the doctor to sign up. And if we click on sign up, it will redirect to the home page. That's it for the doctor part. And I'm moving back to the login page for the patient. See, now I'm clicking on login as patient. This is the sign up page for the login page for the user. If you click on login, it will redirect to the already admitted or user of our application. You can see here by using previous visits, ongoing treatments, and one more thing I need to mention is we in our application we will get news from WHO directly. You can see here, and we have two more features: initial assessment and one card. I will show the initial assessment now. If you click on initial assessment, it will redirect to the chatbot we have been created in our application. Here the convo will build like this, and chatbot will take the initial assessment questions like how you're feeling like that. And if a user wants to go to doctor, the chatbot will suggest hospitals like this. If the user can click the hospital too, for example, if the user clicks hospital too, the available doctors in the hospital too will be displayed like this. If the user clicks on book, the appointment will be booked. And after booking of the appointment, the initial assessment and everything have been stored in the one card that will be sent to the doctor. If we click on this option, for present I'm showing here, if we click on this option, the one card will be displayed to the doctor, not to the user. Here the details of the patient and the diagnostics and the insurance details and the past visits and initial assessment date, everything will be stored here. And here is the QR code for the patient, where the files of the patient and everything will be stored here. And this is about the patient portal. And I need to show the sign up page also for the patient. It's normal only. If you click on sign up, this is the name and email address and password. This is general sign up, not like the doctor. That's it for the application. And oh, one more thing I forgot is, before signing up to the application, it will ask the user to age, height, the basic demographic questions of in case of any previous medical information, or the first main thing is insurance also. So if we click on submit, it will redirect to the new user screen. See, this screen is completely blank, no reports, no nothing. Only the news will be here. That's it for the demo. Thank you.